Yes, just about 10 days to go for the union budget to be presented in the parliament. So let's take a look at what the railway sector is expecting from the union budget this time. Now the capex outlay for railway sector is expected to largely remain flat this time around, to come in at 2.52 lakh crore rupees, which will be a flat growth on a year-on-year basis. It was exactly at about these levels last year as well. This is inclusive of 10,000 crore extra budgetary resource that was allocated to the railway sector last time around. So no big bang expectations that the industry has from the railway sector this time around. Let's also talk at the take a look at the historical trend of how much allocation of capex has been done to railways over the last few years. In FY20, it stood at about 1.5 lakh crore rupees, which was a growth of about 11% on a year-on-year basis. It rose by about 60% in the year later, rose by another 19% in FY22 to come in at 1.9 lakh crore rupees. It rose another 7% in FY23. Let's also put the spotlight on FY24 and 25 figures then. Rose by 29% to come in at 1.5 lakh crore rupees in FY24. Now for FY25, the budgeted allocation was 2.65 lakh crore. That is exactly what the revised estimate also suggested as far as railway capex is concerned, at 2.65 lakh crore rupees. And for FY26, the budgeted expenditure is 2.65 lakh crore rupees. So that's as far as the historic capex allocation for the railway sector is concerned. Let's also talk about what the industry is hoping for. Now, Morgan Stanley says that capital spends in the first half of FY26 for railways, the capital expenditure stands at about 57%. Let's also talk about what the industry is hoping in terms of where the allocation will be. One, towards decongestion, track doubling, dedicated freight corridors, infrastructure monetization. So these are some specific areas where railway sector would want government's focus to be on in Union Budget 2026. Rolling stock upgrades, station redevelopment, safety enhancements, deployment of Kavach 4.0. Kavach 4.0 has been a program which has been undertaken for the last several years, and perhaps that program is likely to continue this year as well. In fact, we have several other reports which suggest that railway expenditure and capex could largely remain steady this time around as well. Kotak Securities has given a target of 2.72 lakh crore rupees for FY27. So yes, perhaps a marginal increase or largely flat is what the railway sector is penciling in as far as their capex figure is concerned for Union Budget 2026.